Emma's day. Emma wakes up at 6 a.m. to the gentle sound of her alarm clock. She takes a moment to stretch in bed, feeling the crisp morning air through her open window. She reaches for the glass of water on her nightstand, taking a few sips to start her day hydrated. By 6:05 a.m., Emma is in her living room, rolling out her yoga mat. She spends the next 20 minutes flowing through a series of yoga poses, focusing on her breath and the calm start to her day. After her yoga session, she heads to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. By 6:30 a.m., she's making a smoothie bowl topped with fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. As she eats, she listens to a podcast about personal development, absorbing inspiring stories and tips. At 7 a.m., Emma laces up her running shoes and heads out for a morning jog around her neighborhood. The cool, fresh air energizes her as she runs, listening to her favorite upbeat playlist. After 30 minutes, she returns home at 7:30 a.m., feeling invigorated. A quick shower follows, leaving her refreshed and ready to take on the day. By 8 a.m., Emma is at her desk, ready to start work. She has a full schedule today, so she begins by prioritizing her tasks. Using the Pomodoro technique, she works in focused intervals of 25 minutes, taking short 5-minute breaks to stretch and clear her mind. Around 10 a.m., she takes a mid-morning break, enjoying a handful of almonds and a short walk around her garden to soak up some sunshine. At 10:15 a.m., Emma dives back into work, dedicating time to a creative project she's passionate about. She's currently designing a new website, and the work excites her. The next couple of hours fly by as she gets lost in her creative flow. By noon, Emma feels satisfied with her progress and is ready for lunch. For lunch, Emma prepares a light and healthy salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, avocado, and a tangy lemon dressing. She enjoys her meal on the patio from 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m., basking in the midday sun. After eating, she takes a leisurely stroll around the block, saving the fresh air and the break from her computer screen, returning by 12:45 p.m. At 1 p.m., Emma returns to her desk for an hour of learning. She's enrolled in an online marketing course and enjoys the challenge of mastering new concepts. By 2 p.m., it's time to get back to work. She focuses on tasks that require deep concentration, ensuring she meets her deadlines. Around 3:30 p.m., Emma takes another break. She makes herself a cup of herbal tea and spends 15 minutes stretching and doing some light exercises to re-energize. Refreshed, she continues working until 5 p.m., wrapping up her tasks for the day. With work behind her, Emma transitions to her evening routine. At 5 p.m., she grabs her sketchbook and heads to a nearby park. Drawing and painting are her favorite ways to unwind, and she spends an hour capturing the beauty of nature around her. By 6 p.m., Emma is back home and ready for a physical activity she loves, a virtual dance class. She joins an online group and dances her heart out for the next hour, enjoying the fun and the endorphins that come with it. Dinner time arrives at 7 p.m., and Emma prepares a delicious stir-fry with tofu, vegetables, and a flavorful sauce. She sits down to eat with her roommate, sharing stories from their day and enjoying the meal together. After dinner, at 8 p.m., Emma spends some leisure time watching an episode of her favorite TV series. The show is a perfect way to relax and unwind. By 9 p.m., she shifts to reading, diving into a captivating novel she's been enjoying. As 9:30 p.m. approaches, Emma begins her wind-down routine. She takes a warm bath with lavender-scented bubbles, followed by her nightly skincare routine. Avoiding screens, she opts to write in her journal, reflecting on the day's events and noting down things she's grateful for and her plans for tomorrow. By 10 p.m., Emma is ready for bed. She puts on calming music and practices a few minutes of deep breathing exercises to help her relax. Finally, at 10:30 p.m., she turns off the lights, feeling content and ready for a restful night's sleep, recharging for another fulfilling day ahead. Using the above techniques with this story will help you practice reading, writing, speaking, and listening in English. If you want any video related to English, please comment. Thanks for watching.